There is no other prophet in the Quran who, when Allah mentions their name, He honors their parents also. Except Isa. Isa ibn Maryam, Isa ibn Maryam, Isa ibn over and over again. Isa the son of Maryam, Isa the son of Maryam. Do you find Muhammad the son of Abdullah? Do you find Yaqub the son of Ishaq? Ishaq the son of Ibrahim? Yusuf the son of Yaqub? You find these? No. No. Every time Allah honors that messenger, or not every time, but multiple times, when Allah honors that messenger, He honors his mother. And by the way, this is important because for the Arabs, when you say Ibn, or for even the Semitic people, when you say Ibn, right after Ibn, you mention the father's name. You mention the father's name. Your last name comes from your father. Allah goes out of His way to remind people that no, He has no father, and we are going to go out of our way to honor that mother.